This watch from Junghans' Max Bill line is known as the Bauhaus model. It has the typical Max Bill styling. In this case with a white dial and elongated slim baton indexes, but there are unusual details like the red infill to the hands, the red date, and then the steel case has a sandblasted type finish to it. And this is a grey colour. It also has a sapphire crystal rather than the usual plexi. And then the case back has a glazed window within the back, so there's this rendition of the Bauhaus building, and then the grille, which appears to be the windows of the building, reveals part of the movement, and you can just see the rotor turning with the automatic winding as I move the watch. The strap is also a special edition strap, so this is slightly textured, and it again gives a sort of sandblast finish to match the watch. And it has the Junghans buckle as well, in similar finish to the case. It's an automatic model, so it'll wind itself as it's being worn. However, if it's lain dormant for a period of time and needs to be restarted, this can be achieved by turning the crown away from you a few turns, which will be enough to get the watch started. The hand settings adjust in a normal manner, and the crown has two settings, so if you pull out to the second setting, you can then advance the hands. The date, of course, will change at midnight like this, but there's also a quick date change facility. So if I just put the crown back in towards the watch, if you pull out to the first setting, you'll then be able to advance the date till you reach the desired day. It's a 38mm case. And it's also a splash-proof model.